redress as urgent as possible.
I will communicate with you. The Hansard should be ready. It's Hansard, isn't it? For his purpose, for the purpose of the application, but the ruling should be ready latest. Today is Thursday.
Much obliged.
Latest Thursday.
Much obliged.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.